We lost his parents and 2 of our kids. Well, we only had 2 kids. We lost both our kids. My eldest is 2 years old and my youngest is like 4 years old. She just turned 2.
My best friend, she's okay. She's safe. We're missing 2 others.
I was holding the hand of my grandchild when the wave hit us. I didn't know what happened. I just couldn't hold him more. We got separated. I couldn't see him anymore. Branches and debris were hitting my body.
Mama tofa, papa tofa, tofa fine tofa, uso tofa. Ia manu ia le malanga, sa se aso tato fita wilunga. God bless the day among we alang malanga. File mu foi le kingo wa mamulu le anganga. Kinga kama uso makua fa finge, ka ape pa usua koko foi le vinge. Efu ile efu ele palpala show wako upele. Le ka mafukanga fa amuka mafuie. Sa ungoa fo inganu sopo ia o makie. Sola foi la ai kukulu ai le langi. Mala ulupelele fa o ele makangi. O moula vai ele koe fo imai. Le ngaka inga masaa waka ele ipuvai. Ngase ia feku ele a foi le masinga. Wakangi pasifika o maosia penginga. E o ile vao mua wa faya hanga ile langi. O mangu aluma nga isa wanga le sami. Aveo fo linga e fai mafua yo mangaku. O loa lo fai falo loko inga ilo ufaku. Times are too tough, but keep hoping for the better. Samoa mua lea tu and keep your head up. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. Farewell mother, farewell father, farewell sister, farewell brother, farewell son, farewell daughter. Please bless their souls, Heavenly Father. This is by far the most painful chapter. Cause how did you justify a natural disaster? They say that a man must love the land. But what's love when your loved ones is covered in sand? Is there a courthouse for earthquakes, events? Is tsunami a sign or is tsunami a punishment? If death is a plague, then life must be a curse. When you're living your best and yet you're giving the worst. How can a woman look up and cherish the sun after losing the husband and all 8 of her sons? I'm here shedding tears while you there shedding blood and digging your dead son's bodies out the gut. Paradise is a price and the price is vicious. Samoa la upele, I'm your tears from a distance. We're distant by ocean but never by heart. I'm deeply sorry that I wasn't there to play my part. To my families and friends that was stolen by the waves. To be honest, I wish I could take y'all place. We are go malanga both west and east. Samoa la upele, may you rest in peace. Peace. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. Ewa mali luto, mai mau au penga oleta wa. Tamali watu fanua, watu fafama itia sa. This is out to everybody that lost somebody. 92909. Samoa la upele le ongaloi. Alofanga ma Utah. Yalofa le tua fa manuia tu. Fai malanga eu fa bem fai langi la tumalanga. So for